Hi everyone, this video is specifically applicable for the students who are appearing for the CUET 2023 exams and are looking for the coaching classes. If any of your friends or relatives are also appearing for this particular exam, you can pass on this particular messages to all of those particular students as well, and rest of the viewers can totally ignore this video. The very first message is like from the 7th of the April, we are planning to conduct demo sessions for CUET 2023 coaching classes. The next thing is that we have made the arrangement for all of the students. That means for the commerce, humanity and science background students, we have made arrangement for the certain specific papers. And that means the coaching classes are available for 4 papers. The very first one is accountancy, which is specifically applicable for the commerce students, and the next one is the economics, which is applicable majorly for the humanities and commerce students. And the next 2 papers are general test, which include GK like static GK, current affairs, quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning part. So we have made the complete arrangement for general test as well, which is applicable for all of the stream students. And the next one is the language based paper, that is English, which is also applicable for all of the students. So that means right now we have made the arrangement for the 4 of the papers. However, there is a group of the students who is specifically looking for the like business studies and entrepreneurship coaching classes. In case we will make the arrangement for this particular subject, we will definitely let you know. Right now we are reflecting upon this particular courses because like it depends upon the number of the students as well, the number of the students who are raising for particular this coaching classes, because majority of the students are saying that they will go ahead with the like self study for this particular 2 courses. However, like if there will be a sufficient batch size for this particular subjects, so then we will definitely reflect upon that particular decision as well. And considering the the combo, the particular classes, we will definitely provide you study material as well, and at least 10 to 12 books will be there, which includes 20,000 plus quality filtered questions. These questions have been picked from the picked by the various faculties, like various renowned faculties, and from highly competitive exams. For example, CA Foundation, CS Foundation, CMA Foundation, like Olympiads and various other exams, and like specific entrance exams for respective universities. And in addition to all of this, we will provide you like test series, 100 plus test mock tests will be there, which will be in line with the syllabus announced by the CUT agencies and NTA. In addition to all of this, daily basis there will be 6 hours, minimum 6 hours offline classes to coverage for the coverage of the entire syllabus, like in the best optimum manner. And in addition to all of this, we will also plan certain extra classes if there will be a certain requirement for certain specific students. And regarding the fee query, so majority of the students were asking for the fees and the other details. So like wherever you're watching this video, just drop a comment or like DM us. We will definitely be in touch with you considering your requirements. For example, the humanities students are having different combo in comparison to the science and the commerce students. So wish you all the very best. And one of the most important thing is that the number of seats will be 15. So we will like keep the batch size a very small level so that the quality will not be compromised at all. And in addition to all of this, like if you are having any other query, feel free to get in touch with us, and we are sharing our number with you. So in case of any query, feel free to be in touch with us. And we have also made the arrangement for the early bird discounts. So see you in the demo classes and wish you all the very best.